let's see the role playing techniques. It is a quite similar like system instruction. So because in this role playing technique, you are going to train a model as a specific instructor. Like you can see the here, instructing the model to act in a specific role, such as historical figure, teacher, or professional in that. So in earlier we see the you are expert at writing content for health. Okay, that is also role playing. Use cases: creative or instructional task where a persona improve engagement and understanding. Yes, role playing means persona is most important. Persona means personalization. Uh, training a AI model. Training a AI model for a specific task, like by assigning the specific role in it. Let's see the prompt example here. Pretend you are a Albert Einstein explaining the theory of relativity to a child. So let's see. Let's jump into the ChatGPT to understand more about this role playing technique. Okay, now we can write the forgot above. So this is the forgot above is very important when you doing different things at a particular ChatGPT interface like this, because it has some memory update function in it. Okay, let's see forgot about. Now you are now you are a experienced science teacher in which you have expertise in photosynthesis. Now, so what I have, so I have assigned a role, specific role to AI model to act like the role that I have given to AI. Like, no, you are a experienced science teacher. This is called an role playing. Okay, role playing means telling the AI to think like specific role, think like a science teacher, think like a experienced science teacher, in which we can get the best output from the AI. Okay, after that I have tell that in which you have expertise in photosynthesis. So I have telling that I have tell the AI to specific topic, like you have expertise in photosynthesis. So now I will write the prompt. Now I will write the query that I want the output from AI model. So now explain me about photosynthesis in easy understand way. Let's see what will AI will generate. You can see the memory update option here. It has a great feature in ChatGPT. So when compared to other AI models, that's why I will love using this ChatGPT. We can see here photosynthesis made easy. It will explain me about photosynthesis easy when compared to other type. If you ask, like, see, if you can see the example here. So from now here, the AI will think like it is an experienced science teacher. So to break out this pattern, we have to write forgot above. Okay, it will it will forget the above previous role playing technique, and it will generate as casual we will interact with AI. Okay, so this is the it will it will generate the specific, and it role playing technique will reduce the irrelevant response or give the better relevant response when compared to writing the prompt without role playing. Okay, if I write simply explain the photosynthesis, it can just throw some random words and random explanation without going deeper explanation. If I train with role playing technique, if I train a AI, if I tell AI to think like a experienced science teacher and generate a about photosynthesis so and so topic, so it will think like explain experienced teacher how they think and how they explain with the subject expertise, the AI will also think like that, and it will generate a explanation like subject expertise have, that like have. Okay, you can see the how this easy. Okay, now if I, for example, if I just tell forgot about and just explain about photosynthesis, you can see the it will just explain photosynthesis, not much better output when compared to previous one. So you can see this here. This photosynthesis is a process of by which green plants, algae, and bacteria convert sunlight into blah blah blah. It has some summarization part of this, right? When compared to this, it has some good points, key ingredients, the kitchen, the recipe. Here it has given the best example here. It's in the formula, what is the important, all these things. But when compared to here, it will just throw in the explanation about what is the photosynthesis. This is how the prompt role playing techniques will plays a major role when compared to get the specific information from AI with deeper knowledge. Okay, you can understand by you can easily understand by this by practicing with your own prompts. Okay, just write the simple question, ask the AI, and it will generate some AI response. You analyze it, and after the you write the prompt with role playing techniques like you are a experienced science teacher, like other stuff, and give some background information. After that, you see the output. There is a much better output by using the role playing technique. So you can see this the two difference between just I have without role playing technique I have just written the query just explain about photosynthesis. You can see the output here, that is not much better when compared to this output, because I have used the role playing technique in this prompt, that is you are a experienced science teacher in which you have expertise in photosynthesis, in which I have trained AI model in specific way to get the most of the AI model and for better understanding. So that's it for this guys, this model. So we will see some role playing techniques, so you can easily understand by practicing by yourself in the ChatGPT itself. So in this model of third class, we have shown that we have discussed some prompt patterns, in which we have discussed some zero shot prompting, in which we just ask a question, or we will train a model to perform a specific task, in which we have used the ChatGPT to do some summarization of the some paragraph. After that, we see this from few short prompting, in which we have provided some few examples to get the output what in the format we want, and we will generate it from in the chat GPT itself. We have see some system instructions, in which we give some system role playing, in which the system only works with our instructions. After that, instead of out of that instructions, if we ask a model to do perform a task, it will refuse to do that perform task which is out of system instructions. Okay, we can, and the last one is role playing technique, in which we have seen providing a background information, uh, assigning a specific role, we can get a better response when compared to asking that random question. So don't worry guys, I will put this chat link, this chat gpt chat link in a document itself, you can get after this course or models assignment. Okay, so that's it for this model guys. We will explore some more advanced and prompt patterns in the next modules of our prompt engineering course. Let's dive into our next number, model 3.